In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find startup jobs on Glassdoor. Whether you're exploring early stage opportunities or aiming for a growing tech company, I'll walk you through a clear process so you can move from searching to shortlisting roles confidently. First, open Glassdoor in your browser or on the mobile app and sign into your account. Being logged in helps you see personalized recommendations and makes it easier to keep track of roles you're interested in later. If you're on mobile, the navigation is similar, just optimized for a smaller screen. Next, head to the search bar. Type in a job title, a relevant keyword, or simply the word startup to surface startup-focused roles. You can combine terms like software engineer startup, product manager, or marketing startup, and add a location if you prefer a specific city or want to see remote options. Keep your search broad at first so you don't accidentally filter out good matches. Now, hit search to open the job listings page. This is where you'll see a stream of roles with company names, locations, and quick snapshots like ratings and salary estimates when available. Click any listing to open its full description, responsibilities, and qualifications. This is a great moment to skim the overview and decide which roles are worth a deeper look. Quick heads up while we're here. I've placed the Glassdoor website link and the official app download links right at the top of the description, so you can get to the correct place in one tap. To refine your results, open the Filters panel. Set a salary range that aligns with your expectations. Choose the job type, such as full-time, contract, or internship, and consider the company rating to focus on employers with strong feedback. You can also narrow by location, date posted, and whether the role is remote if those options are available. Try a few combinations and watch how the list updates. The right set of filters will surface roles that truly match your goals without being too restrictive. With your filters applied, browse through the listings that remain. Pay attention to the details in each description, the responsibilities, the tools or tech stack mentioned, and any hints about company size or stage, such as early stage or growth stage language. Look for application instructions. Some roles may offer a streamlined easy apply, while others route you to the company's own site. Save or note the roles that align with your skills and interests, so you can come back and compare them. And that's it. You now have a straightforward, repeatable way to find startup jobs on Glassdoor. The links you need are at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.